Hello, I am Gérard and welcome to Plat du Jour on Tour, the YouTube channel that reveals the secrets of cooking on your YouTube journey. For more content just like this one, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell button for more notification. It is free to subscribe and you will get value for it. Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to do Hollandaise sauce. I'm going to give you all the secret to make a good Hollandaise sauce. This beautiful silky sauce, delicate, that you can serve with poached eggs, poached fish, even grilled chicken, and even a potato and asparagus. The material we need, just a little pan and a whisk. So basically what we need: butter to make clarified butter, 4 eggs and seasoning, a little bit of lemon juice, salt and pepper, a little point of cayenne, and especially white pepper. Because it's a white sauce, we don't want black pepper. That will be making a little black dot. Starting by melting the butter slowly. We put the butter on slow in a little pot. We want to separate the little milk. We have to separate the eggs. We'll keep only the yolk, and we'll be keeping the white, of course, for maybe making a meringue or a souffle. And the last one. We don't want white. Okay. Now the next step is to beat the eggs. Okay, we got 4 yolk. All right. Then, as I say, a little bit of lemon juice. Okay. White pepper. Salt. I put in my hand because I don't want to put too much, sometimes the lid fell off. And cayenne, just the point of a knife. And now we're going to mix the eggs. We want the eggs to become pale and double in volume before cooking. Yeah, before starting, I check if my butter is ready. I will transfer the clarified butter in a jug and discard the residue called little milk. Now I transfer all the butter. Be careful not to put the residue called little milk, and we'll be keeping only the clarified butter. Now I'm going to cook them slightly and make a sub-bouillon. Remember 2 things. The eggs, if I cook over 65 degrees, they'll be making an omelette. And we don't want that, of course not. And the only way to check the temperature is to put your hand. You know, when it starts to burn, you have to stop cooking. I'll check roughly, see what's happened. It's warming up. No danger yet. I have a very thick pan in stainless steel. And that's very good for the sauce. It's still okay, but it has to cook now. A little bit more. Now I got the rib. I know when it got warm and when it got cold, so I don't have to put my hand all the time. See, it's getting thicker. We have a beautiful sub-bouillon now. Now, like a mayonnaise, you can add the clarified butter slowly. Don't stop turning. Oh, bella, bella. Magnifique. As you can see, it is thicker and creamy and silky. It's nearly ready. see that? Beautiful. Now we check with a spoon if we need. Oh baby, oh baby, I know somebody will be happy. Oh baby. Need bit more salt and little bit more lemony. That's all. So I keep turning because it's still warm. I don't want to leave the metal there, otherwise it'll be cooking. I'll try again the texture. Oh my baby, look at this. This is the best Hollandaise of the planet. Now our sauce is ready for the next operation. Okay, we can just pour easily. We can keep this sauce for 2 hours at 30 degrees in a bain-marie, and that's a health regulation, 2 hours. Some people put it in a thermos, but then after we lose half of the quantity in the bottom of the thermos. I just put in a bit of bain-marie. In a little bain-marie, and as you can see, 30 degrees. I'll be checking in 1 hour. Let's use the sauce right now.